class.
This conference will now be
So we have
recorded.
done with we have completed with this one, right? So Bangalore Cafe. Any doubts in that? Any doubts? So type in one if yesterday's case study was clear. Type in one if yesterday's case study was clear. Okay. So let's continue with our second case study. Okay. About Toyota dealership. So here Toyota is in an expansion in India. They are on a lookup for new dealers. So should Mr. Sham invest in this opportunity? Now Mr. Sham has come to us asking with the details information is going to give us. Based on that, we need to tell whether he can go with the opportunity or what. So Toyota has overall 67 dealers across the country. Annual sales for the company last year was around 1 lakh cars. With this, Toyota holds around 8% of market share in the 12 lakh 50,000 annual car sales in India during 2010. Okay, so Toyota wants to increase its market share by 15% by 2014. So that is from almost 4 years from the uh, sa- what annual car sales. Okay, so it needs to increase its dealers network with 125. So they have already 60 dealers. They wanted to increase with 125 dealership. Okay, so dealers across the country, this is the requirement for the company, and hence the current business opportunity. Chart shows the average sales witnessed by Toyota dealer in 2010. The sale number are expected by 10% per annum going forward. Sales is getting year on year by 10%. Okay, so commission are fixed. Initial investment for renovation for showroom will cost of rupees 25 lakh. Okay, renovation they are telling it is 25 lakh will be there. Sham plans to take loan from bank only up to 50% of total investment. Overall investment whatever is there, in that 50% is planning to take the loan, where the interest rate is 13%. So Mr. Sham is planning to run the business only for 5 years. So the models what we sell is Prado, one number. So the cost is 30 lakh and the commission for that car is 4%. Fortuner, 12 numbers, that 22 lakh, 4% is the commission. Camry, one number, 20 lakh, 4% is Corolla, 10 numbers, 12 lakh is the price, the commission. Innova, 15 numbers, 10 lakh is the cost, 3 lakh, 3% is the commission. ETOs, 15 numbers, we have to make the sell, 7 lakh rupees, 2.5% is the, okay. So this is, they are telling it for monthly sales. So per month, these are the number of costs, what they sell and the commission, what they are going, what he is going to get. Okay. So dealer and staff requirement, if you see, so dealers should invest in having a showroom for display of cars and affecting the sales and go down to keep the inventory. So I need a showroom and as well as a go. Okay. So a showroom I need 15,000 square feet. Price will be rupees 150 per square feet per month. And go down will be 30,000 square feet, rupees 30 per square feet per month. So operation and maintenance will increase year by year by 15% of the revenue. Staff requirement. So manager, I wanted one person, salary will be 35,000. Salesperson, three people I wanted, salary will be 25,000. Admin, two people I needed, 20,000 is the salary. Go down. So go down in charge, I need three people, 12,000 is the salary. Salary increment every year by 10%. So there is salary increment happening. So these are the information what Mr. Sham has given us. Based on this information, I have to analyze the financial statement, and I have to tell him whether he can go with the business or what. Okay. So as I told yesterday, if the this one IRR is in plus, then he can go for the business. If it is in negative, then he should not invest in the business. Okay. So for this scenario, let's start working on it. I take 2 minutes time to go through this, and then we'll start. Guys, I will give you sufficient time in order to wrap it up. Okay, I wanted you people to first listen. Okay. So now first thing is, what is the expected this one, what it is, the requirements. Okay, showroom requirements. So they are telling that how much they need. So 15,000 square feet. So here I'll take equal 15,000, and go down will be 30,000. 30,000. Okay. And rent for showroom is 150 per square feet, and for the go down it is 30 per square feet. Then so innovation, so initial renovation, it is 25 lakh. So here you can see they have mentioned that initial renovation for the showroom is 5 lakh. So let me put the value here, 20, and deposit for the showroom. So they are telling 6 months rental pay has a deposit. So I'll take equals 15,000 into 6, that is 6 months. The same calculate for the go down also. So 30,000 into 30 to put alt equal. The total investment is 2 crore 14 lakh rupees investment I wanted. So and the number of employees what was. So let me tell manager is Any doubts? It clarified if doubts in this? Type in 2 if this is clear. Guys, am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Type in 2 if this part is clear. Type in 2. Okay, now once after this, so increment in the salary, they are told that there will be increase in the salary by 10%. So they are telling 10% salary increment will be there. So here I need to mention 10%. And operating expenses, they are telling 15% on the revenue. So this will be 15%. Okay, so debt for the year. So Sumit has planned that Sham has total investment 50% is going to take the debt. Okay, so debt raised will be 50%. Sorry, debt for 5 years equals total into 50%, or debt rate 50%. Interest will be, so interest amount is 13% is the and the 50%. So now debt raised will be equal total investment 50%, and debt raised and equity would be 50%. Okay, 1 crore. So it is 1 crore 7 lakh. They are going to take this one. So finish this.
Debt raise, how did you do, ma'am?
Debt raised. So here I have taken the value like total investment. So I have done this right. Initial renovation 25 lakh, out of which they are telling deposit for the showroom. That will be 15,000 into 150 into 6 months. So 6 months rental they have told. Deposit for the godown 30,000 square feet, 30,000 into 30 into 6. So overall total capital will be 2 crore 14 lakh rupees. So on that crore 14 lakh rupees, Sham is going to take 50% of the total investment as a loan. So here it will be total investment into 50%. So that will be the debt raised. So the same way for this one also, equity raised also, total investment into 50%. Guys, done? First, you need to evaluate the values that are given on the left-hand side. Then only you can solve the. Guys, done? Anyone? Any doubts? Okay. So now let's continue with the estimation of the business. Here, it's sold. So it is Prado is one number. And then is 12 and Camry is 1. Corolla is 10 number. Then Innova is 15 numbers and Etios is 15 numbers. So the price is 30 lakh. Then second one 22 lakh. And then 20 lakh. And then 12 lakh. And then 10 lakh and 7 lakh. So 10 lakh. And then ETOs will be 7 lakh. So now I have mentioned the total number of units and price. So now 4%, 3%, and 2.5%. Okay, now in order to calculate the commission, so it would be equal unit sold into price into commission. So I have to just multiply all the values and apply the fill handle. So now this is done. I wanted to know the total monthly input. It is 26 lakh 41,000. So I wanted you people to try with. Lamination. Guys, if there is any, please ask. Guys, hopefully you are able to do it. Any doubts or guys type in 3 if this is clear. Type in 3 if till here means. Okay, so let's work out on this. Okay, now I wanted to apply the calculation. Okay, so profit calculation I have to do. So per month they are telling it is 41,000. Okay, so 30 lakh, 22 lakh, 20 lakh, 12 lakh. Innova is 10 lakh. Sorry. So here I have left out 10, 10 lakh, 7 lakh, 12 lakh, 3%. Okay, now revenue I have to calculate. So here is total monthly sales is 39 lakh 91,000. It is happening. So monthly means I have to calculate this for 12 months to 12. Okay. So now in this they are telling that the sales will be increased. Yeah, the sales number will be are expected to increase by 10% going forward. Okay, so year on year there is 10% increase happening. So previous year value into 1 plus 10%, and I'll apply the. So rental showroom. So rental showroom it will be, so square feet into amount per square feet to, so this will be per square feet. So I wanted to calculate it for 12 months. So they have not mentioned anywhere rent will be increased. So nowhere they have mentioned that the rent increased. See, they have not mentioned anywhere that the rent is going to increase. So the rent amount is going to remain the same. Down rent equal 30,000 square feet into 30 rupees per. So in is nothing but our 12 months. Previous year value I have to take and I will apply the fill handle. Now salaries. So they are telling 1,86,000 per month I am going to pay. So 1,86,000 into 12 months. So 22,32,000 I am paying. And here they are telling that salary percent. Salary amount into 1 plus percent. So I'll come here and apply the fill hand. So operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance, they are telling 15% revenue. So revenue is this into 15. So I'll come here and apply the fill handle. So operating, it will be revenue minus sum of operating expenses. Interest expenses. So it will debt amount. So expenses is 13% as you can see. So on the debt amount. So debt amount is 1 crore rupees into 13%. So this interest rate is going to remain the same throughout the year, throughout all the 5 years. Then profit before tax, it would be EBIT minus interest expense. So first year it will be loss. So as there is no, so the first year, okay, next year it will be PBT into 35% tax. And here it will be PBT, that is profit before tax minus the tax amount. So first year it is a loss. So I wanted you people to try this out. Any explanation you wanted me to tell it again? Explain it again. Guys, any part you want me to explain it again? So I wanted you people to do. Please let me know. So in the meantime, answer your attendance. So anything you want me to explain it, you can just ask. Aditya, Aditya, Aditya is absent. Alia.
Ma'am,
Ananya. Yes.
ma'am,
Present, ma'am.
This is
could you
Aditya.
mark? Yes, this is Aditya. Could you mark me present?
Yes, yes. I
Yeah,
just
thank
started
you.
it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Alia. Alia. Ananya. Ananya.
Present, ma'am.
Angel Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Angel Maria.
Present, ma'am.
Angel Maria, yesterday you are present, ma?
No, ma'am, I was absent.
Ashaz.
Present, ma'am.
Ashish. 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 Ashmit.
Present, ma'am.
Ashmit. Ashmit, yesterday you are present.
Yeah, there was network issues.
Chaitanya.
Present, ma'am.
Claudia.
Present, ma'am.
Diksha.
Present, ma'am.
Diksha, yesterday you are present, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Harini. Harini. Harini R. Harini Sundaram.
Present, ma'am.
Rishita. Rishika, sorry. Rishika. 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 Humera.
Present, ma'am.
Pradakshna.
Present, ma'am.
Gnanakshi.
Present, ma'am.
Kirtana.
Present, ma'am.
Khyati. Khyati. Kiran.
Present, ma'am.
Kiran, yesterday you were present?
No, ma'am, I was absent.
Okay. Lakshmi. 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 Manasa.
Present, ma'am.
Mayuka.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay. Namita Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Namita K. Namita K. Namrata. Namrata Swapna. Namrata K. Namrata K. Sarga.
Present, ma'am.
Pearl. Pearl. Pratibha. Pratibha. Rita.
Present, ma'am.
Priya.
Present, ma'am.
Purajit. 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 Purvika.
Present, ma'am.
Raina. 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 Rishika.
Present, ma'am.
Rishika, yesterday you are present, ma?
No, ma'am. Yesterday I couldn't attend.
Roxanne.
Present, ma'am.
Roxanne, yesterday you are present, ma?
Yes, ma'am, I was present.
Okay. Rupika. Yunus is present. Yunus present. Rupika. Okay, Yunus yesterday's also have marked attendance. Rupika. Sanavi.
Present, ma'am.
Sanavi.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. I have marked your attendance. Yes, I have.
Present, ma'am.
Pujita.
Present, ma'am.
Sakshi. 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 Samyukta.
Present, ma'am.
Samyukta, yesterday you are present, ma?
No, ma'am. I was absent.
Okay. Shalmali.
Present, ma'am.
Shalmali is present.
No, ma'am. I was absent.
Okay. Charlene.
Present, ma'am.
Pearl is present. Okay, one second. This is Charlene is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Pearl is also present. Shivani. Your
Present,
attendance,
ma'am.
ma. Kavya.
Present, ma'am.
Shreya Kavadi. Shreya Kavadi. Shreya Kotari. Shreya Kothari is present. Sudeshna. Sudeshna.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Sudesh present. Vani Shri is also present. Tirisha. Tirisha. Shreya Kavadi is also present. Tirisha. Tirisha is also present. Varun.
Present, ma'am.
Vedanshi.
Present, ma'am.
Vedanshi.
Present.
Zaida. Yeah, Vedanshi. I marked your attendance, ma. Zaida.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So today the ones who have not answered their attendance are, so it is Ashish and Ashmit, Harini R, Rishika, Kyati, Namit, Namrata Swapna, Namrata K. So Pearl, it is answered. Pratibha, Purajit,
Ma'am, I'm
Raina.
present, ma'am.
Purajit is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Purajit, yesterday you are present.
Ma'am, I sent a meeting, so I sent a chat in the group meeting, no, ma'am.
Yes. Sorry, I forgot.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. And then Roxanne. Roxanne is present. Rupika. Rupika did not answer the attendance. Sakshi. So rest others, everyone has answered their attendance. So guys, So today also few people were asking in the group, I believe today we have the exam or what. So it is exam will be on Friday. Don't miss out the attendance. The ones who have missed out the classes, please inform them. Don't not to miss that this one exams. If they miss out, we cannot reschedule it or we cannot give the exam once again. So don't miss out. Hardly half an hour to 45 minutes it will take. Attend the exam, take the exam so that you will get certificate. Okay, so Thursday. So tomorrow we will do our third case study. Thursday we will have a revision class, and Friday we will be having the okay. Go through the video recordings, whatever we have shared. Practical knowledge is there means it will be easy for you to exam. Okay. Timings it will be the same 6:30. So once we get shared with the link from our management, immediately I'll be sharing it on your this one WhatsApp group. Okay. So you need not have to connect to the class that day. Directly the link will be shared in the WhatsApp group. You can click on that link. It will be Google Sheet. So it will be multiple choice. 4 options will be the right answer. So probably 50 questions are there. Okay. So it will be based on Excel and financial modeling. So let me see if I format question paper for you to understand how the question paper will be. On Thursday, I will just check it out if possible. Okay. So go through everything. So it will be completely, even if it is an MCQ also, still it will be based on the practical. If you have done it, if you understand how to solve it practically, it will be easy for you to take up with the exam as well. So I hope till here everybody is done. So let's do with the remaining part. Any doubts in the calculations? So now here 0. So operate net profit, if you see nothing is, so I'll just equal, I'll pick the value cell. Okay, that is from the and I will apply the fill handle. I wanted the net profit to be bought here. So I bought the net profit, that is cash flow, and then initial investment. So initial investment means, so we are investing the money. So it will be in minus, and the total investment was 2 crore 14 lakh rupees. And then, so debt amount repaid. So initially I'm the debt amount, and at the 5th year we are going to repay it, equal minus the debt amount. Okay. So now at the end of the 5th year, deposit amount would be refunded. So I'll be receiving back the deposit amount. So I'll tell sum and here deposit amount whatever we have calculated. So this both the values I'm going to take it. And now here I have to put alt equal. So first year it is a loss. So the IRR is 30%. So definitely he can go with the investment. try this out, guys. Guys, if there is any doubts, you can ask. Guys, if there is any doubts, you can ask. Guys, hope you people are able to solve it. Guys, if there is any doubts, you can get it clarified. Guys, if there is any doubts, guys, if there is any doubts, please get it clarified. Guys, type in 4 till here if it is clear. Type in 4 if the case study was clear.